Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to learn how to mate the threads of a bolt and a nut. So let's start. For this mate option, we need a bolt and a nut. So let's start to draw a bolt. First, I'm going to draw a bolt. You can say I'm going to make a shaft. It's up to you. I'm going to make it of 10 mm. Okay, and extrude it. I'm going to make this head, so this one is 5 mm. Okay, select his face, sketch. I'm moving little bit faster, so smart dimension. This one is I want to make it of 5 mm, or let's make it of 6 mm. That's the standard size of a bolt. So feature extrude, I'm going to make it of 15 mm. Okay, or 20 mm. That's going to be little long. Okay, this one is done. And now next is to make the thread over this one. So for this, whole wizard and thread. Okay, I'm going to the standard one first, like this one, and 18 mm. Okay, but I'm going to make it of 16 mm. Let's say it's going to be inside. Okay, let make it of 18 to cross this one. Okay, it's going to be end of the bolt. So it is 3 to 5, or you can change this one. .75. Okay, no need to change this. 2.75, or that's 2.5. Okay, 2.5 by 12. 2.75 by 12. Okay, it is done. And if I am going to make a thread, outer thread, then I have to extrude thread. This green color showing indicates that you are doing well, a right hand thread. And okay, our thread is done. Now simply save it, Control S, and I'm going to save it on documents. And okay, okay, let it saved on desktop, and save it as mate thread. Okay, save it here as bolt. Okay, rebuild and save the document. And now next is close this, and we need to make a nut for this part. And front plane sketch and make 2 circles. How much we have? 10? No, it's of yes, 10, and this one is of 6 mm. Okay, same of the our bolt features, extrude, and we are going to extrude it up to 5 mm. And okay, go to this whole wizard, thread, select the outer, and 18, no, it's 4 mm, so it will be inside of 4 mm, or 3.8. It's not going to come, it's 3. Oh no, it should be 3.5. Okay, let's see, is coming out. So 3.45 and 3.4. Okay, cut thread, and okay, it's done. Control S, add nut, close it. And now we are going to do assembly. Okay, and in assembly, first of all, go to this, close it. Okay, it get stuck. Okay, come here, turn this on both, and now assembly and insert component. Okay, now here we have a bolt and nut. Let's take this bolt and put it on the origin. Okay, now we need a nut, take it and put it here. Now if I go to this mat, I have the option here mechanical mate, and here is the option screw. So here you need, again come here, turn this to on, and now select its axis and select its axis. It will going to be mat. And okay, here is two option revolution per mm. It will cover a distance of 1 millimeter in 1 revolution. If you want to change it, then you have the option. I am going to put it as, okay, let's see it. Okay, it's done. Now you can see if you rotate it. Okay, let me turn it off, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and let me change its color. Open part and change its color appearance, and I'm going to put it this yellow color. Okay, Control 7 for isometric view and Control S. Now close it and open this one and change its appearance to this black color. Okay, Control S and close it. Now you can observe its movement. I am rotating it here, and you can see it's covering the distance here. Okay, now Control 7 to take it to isometric view, or you can change its view by using your mouse. Okay, right click and make it flat now, and now put it as fix and turn it. It's up to you. You want to make the fix or your nut or your bolt, it's totally up to you. You can also see, go to motion study, take it out, make it motion study or basic motion, and put this motor on this. It's going to be counterclockwise, you can see. Okay, take it to the origin or the starting point, and now here put 10 revolution per minute, or no, 50 revolution per minute, and okay, now calculate it. You can see the nut is fixed and this bolt is coming out. If it's now you can right click here and edit features, take it to 100 rpm, and now again calculate it so you can see its motion. Okay, take it to here and again calculate, so it will be totally at this point. Control 7, hopefully you are Control 7 to take it to normal, and you can see its motion at all positions. Okay, hopefully you understand how to make a nut and a bolt, or you can see say outer thread and an inner thread, how to make them. So this tutorial is going to be end here. If still you have any problem while doing this mate command, so you can ask me on comment section, and in the end, don't forget to subscribe Guide Station and share to your friends. Thank you.